Hello, Universe students. Well, Universe friends. Thank you for tuning into my video today. My name is Jillian, and I am a yarn addict, a yarn fanatic, and I'm here to feed my addiction to crochet and yarn. So today I have a whole bunch of yarn sitting around just like you, because I know if you're watching this, it's either that you're about to accumulate a big pile of yarn, be a yarn hoarder, or you already are. So what I decided today is that I'm going to crochet over 24 hours or the rest of the day. So let's see what I can crochet. I have some ideas for hats, I don't know yet. I just thought of like 2 hats to make, but first I want to say thank you for 1,000 subscribers. So let me show you some of the yarn stash first. This is some of the yarn stash that I have a whole 2 suitcases full of yarn. Well, a duffel bag and a suitcase full of yarn, and I'm going to pick out some random colors to use, and then I'm gonna make my hat first. So let's get started. Okay, I decided that I was gonna blind film myself, spin myself around, and then pick randomly from the basket. I just emptied all of like the yarn that I don't use, or the like scrap yarn. Oh my gosh, chill out. Okay, let's dig from the bottom. Okay, I got this one. Don't know what this is. I think I'm gonna pick 6. This one, what's this? I feel like I know what the yarn is. Let me stop unraveling it because it's mine. This is either gray or purple. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna pick from the top. What is this? This is so small. I might pick 7 just because I picked something small. I don't want that. What, but I feel something. You know, I'm surprised that this yarn isn't tangled up yet. Let me not speak too soon. I got this one. This one. I feel like I know what this is. This is either pink or purple. All right, let's go down. I feel like I know what this is. This is green. I don't want that. What's this, y'all? What do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, one more. Okay, I'm gonna just take this one. Okay, so now it's time for me to see what I chose. Okay, I mean, listen, I know that I'm gonna make a cute hat with these colors. I picked out a purple, a green, a salmon peaches color, a purple, this little small gray, pink, and orange. Okay, our first thing is done. I made this hat. Now I started probably like at 12:30ish, and I finished around, what time is it? 2:30, so 12:30 to 2:30. And this is what it, excuse me. And this is what it's looking like. It is a cute hat. Yeah, I feel like if I went, you know, a little further, and if I bend it in, it could be like one of those beignets, beret hats. Yeah, so cute. Now the next thing I'm gonna make is this headband with this like ombre-ish color yarn. It's been sitting in my thing for a long time. If you don't know, now I'm going to make a headband with this kind of like ombre-ish color yarn. If you haven't seen it on my page before, this yarn, I used it probably in a different shade, a darker shade. I used it to make my romper. So we about to do that next. I didn't even tell you guys what I was watching while I crochet. I'm watching Gossip Girls. Now that might make me seem real old, but I never watched Gossip Girls before. I feel like I've never really watched any of like the traditional shows. I've never watched Sex and the City. I've never watched Gossip Girls. Like I feel like sometimes I don't be watching TV for real, so I have to catch up while I'm crocheting. So that's what I'm watching. And might I add, somebody on the director's team, the film team, the script writer, somebody got a feet fetish, because the first 2 episodes I seen feet, like just dead smack in the camera. Okay, back to the schedule program. It is a lovely 3 hours later, and this is what I have crocheted. This is my second one. I'm probably going to do 2 more or 1 more. It's already 8:45 and my shoulder is already on fire. But this is kind of like, you know how they have the crochet do-rags? This is just kind of like for the girlies that have puffs. So it's just like a head wrap. It's just a square. Hold on, let me show you. It's just a big square with the, you know, strings on the side. That's it. And now I'm going to make a star. Now I'm gonna make a star, but it's not like one of those puffer stars, and I'm going to stuff it with some of like the leftover scrap yarn, and I'm either gonna use it as a glasses dangle, because I always see people use it as a headphone dangle, but nobody uses it as a glasses dangle, and I have glasses, so why not be different and wear it as a glasses dangle? So when I get back, that's what I'm gonna have on my head, well, on my glasses. But here is the star. It's a little Kirby with no face. I'm just gonna hang it on my glasses. I just made a bow. Honestly, I would make it shorter. Like it'll probably, yeah, I would probably put it up here. A little dangly. All right, y'all, that was 3 things. What do y'all think I should make next? Something small, something cutesy, something very demure. All right, guys, these are the 3 things that I was able to crochet in the 24 hours. Now, I don't know, I kind of feel like I was crocheting quite slow. I don't know why, but this is my favorite thing that I made. I also made this bow, and I added a scrunchie on it just in case, you know, well, it can't work for my hair because, okay, but it can't work for my hair, but if somebody has like a little ponytail, they can use it for that. And this star pendant for your headphones, and I may make a tutorial on how to just make this star pendant. Just let me know down below if you want that, because I can do it for you, you know. Anything you want, I got it. I can give it to you. But thank you for tuning into my video today. I am so very appreciative for 1,000 subscribers, and I'm so appreciative for anybody that watches this video. Thank you for tuning into my video. I love you so much, and I see you in the next video. Bye.